We will use this long spring to investigate the factors affecting the wave speed along a spring. Stretch the long spring on the floor and measure the distance between the two ends. Fix one end of the spring and flick the other end to produce a pulse. Measure the time for the pulse to travel to and return from the fixed end. Calculate the wave speed. Take it as the reference value for the experiment. Now repeat by changing a parameter each time. Observe how the wave speed is affected. Firstly, produce a pulse of a larger amplitude. Secondly, stretch the spring to a larger extent. This increases the tension in the spring while reduces the mass per unit length of the spring. Compare the wave speed in these two cases to the reference value. How does the wave speed change? Now, flick the spring repeatedly to produce a transverse wave. Then flick it faster to produce another wave of a higher frequency. How does the wavelength change? What is the relationship between the frequency and the wavelength?